Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anup and today in this JavaScript tutorial I will show you what is Array.concat method and join method. In my last video I had shown what is array unshift and shift method. If you haven't watched my last few videos, so please go to description. I have provided the playlist link. You can check all those videos because there you can learn the JavaScript basic syntax and some other thing as well. And if you find my videos are helpful for you, please like this video. Also subscribe my channel to get more update. So now I will go to the HTML file for showing Array.concat method. So I will go to the HTML file and here you can see I have written the syntax. So here I have created two array, num1 and num2. Both array occupied some numbers. Okay. By the way, you can add the string value as well. And here what this Array.concat method does. So if you want to merge those two arrays, so that time we use Array.concat method. So this is the syntax. I want to merge num1 and num2. So first num1, then concat, then num2. So what will be the output? So first num1 means this value, then with this num1 array I am just trying to merge num2, means after that 5 6 7 8. Okay, and that I store in this new array variable. So let's see the output. Here you can see 1 2 3 4. After that the second array value which is 5 6 7 8. Now if you want to change this one like num2 then num1, means you want to merge num1 value with num2 array, means the output will be first 5 6 7 8, then 1 2 3 4. If I save and show you the output, see 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4. This way you can merge multiple arrays. Now if I want to show you any other array, so here I will write the variable name is arr, and in this variable I will store one string value. Suppose you want to merge this array also. So here num2 concat num1 then arr. So you can guess the output and you can write in the comment section. If your output is num2 first, so 5 6 7 8, then I concat num1 means 1 2 3 4. After that last hello. So you are right if your output is like that. So you can see 5 6 7 8, then the second array, the first array num1 1 2 3 4, then the string value hello. I hope it is clear and you can like this video also. Now I will go to the code and I will show you the next method. So here the next method is join, which I will show you now. For that purpose I will open the HTML file again, and here you can see I have written the syntax of Array.join method. So first the array name, here I have written arr because for me this one array I store in this variable, and now the method name is .join. So what this method does? So here if you want to join array values, so we use .join method, means here I have multiple values hello, creative and developer. So here if you want to join those three values together, so that time we use .join method. So what will be the output? So the output will be hello comma creative comma developer. So see in the output here you can see. So now this is not an array, this is a string value. Okay, so if I console this array, so what will be the output? So that time the output will be an array. See here, this is an array, but after joining this array value it is like a string. So this is the use of Array.join method. By the way, here you can pass the parameter. If you want to join with any other thing like @, so instead of comma it will be hello @creative @developer, like this one. See here. So this is the use of join method and this is very useful method. So guys, if you find this video is helpful, so please like this video, also subscribe my channel to get more update in JavaScript.